here at Kind Organcis, just outside of Brantford, Ontario. And I got a couple videos of these guys, but I also wanted to specifically show this fava bean microgreen they're doing. I've never seen anything like it. The taste is incredible. And Julian here is harvesting them right now.
There they are, beautiful, super flavorful.
They're amazing. They have I was saying to Julian, it's almost like a mix of pea and sunflower, because it's the juiciness and crunchiness of sunflower, the nuttiness, but the legume sweet flavor of a pea.
Yeah, and they're not fibrous, so it's a really easy to chew. Pea shoots, sometimes you get sometimes
fibrous.
Yeah, it's got a lot of fiber. So the one thing that I just wanted to sort of explain is that it's a bit longer. So we generally, all the crops that we have here are 10 days. So 3-day germination, 7 to 8 days, depending on the season, until they're ready. These take longer. They're probably 15 to 20 day. It's usually a 6-day germination. When you're seeding them, we seed them, or we plant them dry. So you don't have to soak the seed,
okay.
But you can soak the seed. We found that we use the same trays as we're using for everything else. Yep, 1020s. And so what we do is we make all these trays in our tray maker, and then we seed the tray essentially on the machine, fairly densely. You can see it's got there's quite a bit of seed in there. But then we cover them with a layer of soil, and that really helps. It keeps the moisture in. They need a lot of moisture. We've tried vermiculite; it just doesn't work. You need that
right.
sort of you just need that moisture that the soil holds. And yeah, these are a little, actually probably short. I would say they're about half the normal height, just because of the weather.
Yeah.
Yeah, if anybody's watching this, it's winter time right now, and we just went through minus 20 during the day and minus 30 at night.
Yeah.
And so nothing grows at night basically when it's that temperature in the greenhouse. Yeah, these are incredibly flavorful. Anybody who tries them, we sample them at the markets that we go to.
Incredible.
And they'll just buy a bag right away.
How much are you yielding per flat? Can you get about a pound, or not quite?
Not quite, but I would say close. Yeah, 750, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Or sorry, no. So 454 is a pound.
You were thinking 3/4 of a pound.
Yeah, I'm thinking 3/4 of a pound. Yeah, and it also depends on, sometimes the seed is a little bit, not optimal. I guess some seed is better than others, and we've definitely found that just over the years that some lots are better than others.
Do you know what variety of fava beans that is?
I don't, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't.
And I know people are going to ask, how come you're not harvesting these on the machine?
Yes. Okay. So fava being so delicate, you can just see that you cut it like that, and it's just like basically if you cut it with scissors or anything that's mechanical, they don't like it, or it bruises them, or something happens to them.
They tear too much.
Yeah, and the end will go black with a dull blade, and so that's why we're using these rust-proof. Whatever box cutter blades.
Yeah, right.
And you can sort of see the that's the fava.
Oh, really?
Juice. Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Huh.
It's really great though. It's so flavorful, and yeah, they're just a great crop.
It's a beautiful crop. Thanks, Julian.
Okay.